Ants in your bedroom can totally ruin your chill vibe, but you can actually kick them out for good if you know what to do. Alright, so first up, keep your room super clean. Like no crumbs, no sticky spots on your nightstand, and definitely no food left out. Ants are like little food detectives, so if they sniff out even a tiny crumb, they'll be back for more. Next, check your walls and windows for any cracks or tiny gaps where ants might be sneaking in. Seal those up with some caulk or weather stripping. It's like closing the front door on them. Also, try to keep your bedding fresh and avoid eating in your bedroom because food smells attract ants like crazy. If you spot an ant trail, wipe it down with some vinegar or soapy water that messes up their scent path and confuses them. You can also use natural repellents like lemon juice or cinnamon around the room edges. Ants hate that stuff. If things get really bad, consider setting out some bait stations so the ants take the poison back to their colony. Just remember to keep pets and kids away from those baits. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ants in the bedroom is ignoring those tiny cracks and gaps in walls and windows. Ants will just keep getting in unless you seal them up tight. Another common issue is leaving food or drinks out, which basically throws a party for ants and invites them back daily. The third problem is not wiping away ant trails properly. If you just spray or kill the ants without cleaning their scent lines, more will follow right behind them. The fix? Plug every entry point, keep food sealed and away from your bedroom, and regularly clean any trails with vinegar or soap to break up their chemical signals. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with local contractors who actually know what they're doing, so you don't have to stress about finding someone legit. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get more work and connect with homeowners who need help with projects like ant-proofing their homes or other big fixes.